Hey, I'm Liv, and today we are going to be going green. It is St. Patrick's Day, and I got some green contacts from Pinky Paradise to try out. So I'm gonna pop them in, I'm gonna work, do a bunch of other stuff and see how they function, see if I can actually see with them in, see if they're comfortable, all that good stuff. I'm pretty particular about what's in my eyes, so this will be an interesting test. Let's go. So if you watched my unboxing, I got a whole bunch of cool stuff from Pinky Paradise. I've gotten contacts from them before, and this little kit is adorable. It's like a little travel kit. So inside it, we have my green contact soaking. St. Patrick's Day is obviously the perfect time to do a green contact wear test, and I'm hoping that these are really notable. So this little kit comes with like a little lens, dropper thingy, tweezers, and then we have the contacts inside. I will put the details for these down below, but I'm really hoping that it's a dramatic change. So let's zoom you in. I have an astigmatism, so it's pretty hard to find color contacts. If you want to see some of the Pinky Paradise color astigmatism contacts, I'll put my video up in the eye over there, but these are not prescription, so they're just for me to wear with my glasses on. Fortunately, my glasses are green, so we're going matchy-matchy today. And these are actually looking a lot brighter than they looked in the little jar. They're kind of like pixelated looking in gradient, so I'm very excited. I opened the right side of the contacts lens as though this makes any difference. Having no prescription, it doesn't matter, I don't think. So, okay, let's do it. I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. That is so weird. That is so weird. Man, contacts are like the most fun transformation ever. That is weird. It's weird because you can see my eye color, so you can see like the gray blue on the inside. I feel like no matter what eye color you have, this would look really interesting. Wow, I just want to say like this. As per usual, my eyes water. Nothing to do with the contacts, just putting something in. And it's weird because you can tell that it's a little crooked, like it's still aligning to my eye, I think, because you can see that my pupil isn't quite in the middle. I wonder if it's like toric lenses. If you have an astigmatism, you'd know, then they sort of move around in your eye until they situate where they're gonna stay. I might just give them a little push. There we go. I think that looks better. That is crazy. Let's do the other one. I gotta be honest, at the moment, these are the most comfortable color contacts I've worn so far. I can't actually tell that I have anything in. And I guess just to take a minute with this comparison here, I feel and see nothing different between either eye. But looking at it in the camera over there, it looks really dramatic to me. All right, pop this other one in. I totally blinked it into reverse. Come on, get some more. These are actually very soft and they kind of crumple very easily. You know what I mean? Like some of the contacts that I wear, the prescription ones, they hold their cone, their cup shape really easily, and these are very willing to crumple. Maybe why they're so comfortable. Keep blinking it away. All right, stop blinking, Liv. There we go. Wow, that is weird. I look like a monster or a lizard or a ghost or something. Let's zoom out. Okay, so just so that I can see what's going on, I'm putting my glasses on. Wow, that looks weird even with my glasses on. This is really cool. These are really cool because they're a little bit bigger than the iris and it's very bright. So it's kind of a surreal, freaky look. I think this would look beautiful with brown eyes too. Okay, we're gonna get my husband's impression. It's always a weird transition while my eyes are trying to get used to it, but it feels really comfortable. I mean, you saw how easily those are sort of crumpling. I think they're very thin and soft. Not at all noticeable. I see no green, and that's kind of the cool part about how the color doesn't go all the way close to my pupil. There's no color for me to see. Like, that was something I was looking for because sometimes when you have the color so contrasting to nature, it can be a little blinding, I find. Like the white contacts that I had this just fuzzy white glow the whole day. This feels incredibly comfortable. Wow, I kind of love this. I kind of want a bunch of colors. Like a purple, that would be fun.
Whoa.
Ah, you see?
Yeah, that's trippy.
Isn't it?
Yeah, green-eyed girl.
It's cool though, right?
Oh yeah. The ring light is giving it extra effect. It's sort of creepy, but
it does look creepy though. I think it looks a bit lizardy.
Well, I think the ring light is sort of like that isn't as much. But yeah, green eyes is just
Actually,
It doesn't look natural.
it does
because
not.
I know you.
That's true. Let's turn off the ring light and see how this looks. How does it look? Still creepy?
A little bit, but not that bad. And I think it's because there's a light green outer circle.
Yeah.
But like the middle part doesn't look creepy. It's just that extra like light green outer circle.
The middle part's my natural eye color.
Oh, okay.
It's just the outer.
It makes the other part look green.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. I think gray eyes can sort of absorb a lot of colors.
Mm-hmm.
Weird. Yeah, it's interesting because the inside of my eyes are not at all affected. I kind of feel a little vampire just as is. All right, cool. So now you have the contacts up close, further away, in the ring light, without the ring light. Here's natural. I do have gray eyes with no other color in them. So you can sort of guess what it would look like with your eyes. But I'm loving this so far, and they're very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I think contacts are just designed so you can keep looking at yourself and being surprised. They actually totally match the color that I have in my waterline there. That was unintentional. Oh, by the way, this mirror is very nice. This little kit thingy. Okay, I'm gonna go back to work and we're going to wear these for a good few hours, see how they feel, see if I notice anything. If I get really uncomfortable, I'll take them out and that'll be indicative of how comfortable they are. Okay, let's go. Come look at me and tell me how my eyes look.
Fabulous.
My eyes.
Fabulous.
They do?
Yeah.
Can you tell anything? Come closer.
It looks like your lenses are green.
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
You
So
like
why are
it?
you wearing glasses?
Because they're not prescription contacts.
Oh, they're just for color.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You like them?
Well, it looks very odd.
Does. Yeah. Did you notice when you
No,
came in?
No.
No, it's quite subtle. With
Yeah.
the glasses on.
Yeah. Well, you had your glasses on, so, you know, and makeup.
Yeah. I like how the dog's sitting on my foot. So I came upstairs to go to bed and I forgot I was wearing contacts. I totally forgot. They are incredibly comfortable. So I think I put them in at around 3 p.m. It's like 10. So it's been 7 hours. That's a long time. Normally when I wear my contacts for astigmatism, I feel them moving around in my eyes. I can sort of feel these now, like I'll be happy to take them out, but they're definitely thinner. They're much more comfortable than my regular contacts with a prescription even. It's crazy. And even with glasses on, you can notice. Granted, they're so different to my normal eye color, that's for sure. But I think it's really noticeable. It's really, really noticeable and it's cool. And if you don't wear a prescription, I think this would be astounding. Like, obviously the glasses sort of diminish it a little bit. These are great. I definitely want to get other colors. Any of I think they're called the EOS Bubble ones. I love the fact that the colors on the outside. I would actually be tempted to get these in a bright blue because then I'd have like the gray of my eyes on the inside and then the bright blue on the outside. So if you have brown eyes and you had or hazel even, like brown or hazel on the inside and blue on the outside, oh, that would be so gorgeous. I think this is such a cool effect and it's really inobtrusive to wear. These are literally the most comfortable contacts I've ever worn. Granted, they have no prescription in them, which is a bummer. But I don't know, maybe you can get a prescription with this kind, maybe in one of the other colors. I don't think you could with the green, but I'm really psyched. I had the best time wearing them. It was fun freaking out my mom a little and just looking different. And I gotta be honest, like looking at myself in the mirror, I feel vampy. Like I feel a little spooky and different. Like it looks, don't you think? Like I could do theatrical with this and I could also look normal. Like I almost feel like I could wear this to work, but I'm a little weird. Let's go to the bathroom where it's a little brighter just for 1 sec. So I'm about to take off my makeup. This is a little bit of a better view. I think it looks great. It feels great. These are really pleasant. And I promise you, I'm not biased at all in that I got these for free. Like I will buy these if I get, because I think I have a couple dollars I've been an affiliate for a year or two with them. So I've like accrued a couple dollars. So when I accrue enough for a pair of contacts, it's going to be these ones in a different color. Maybe, I don't know why I'm feeling lavender, but I feel like lavender would be really fun. Don't you think? Anyways, let me know what you think of these, and if you have a color suggestion or any other color request, anything that you'd like to see. This has been really, really fun. Very fun and successful. I can't wait to try the red ones. If you watched my unboxing video, then you'd know that I have the green and red ones. And the red ones, unfortunately, come all the way up to the pupils, so I'm expecting them to be uncomfortable. I'm expecting them to be difficult to wear, especially for long times. So you'll have to watch that video and see if that actually happens. Just as I should add, I worked with these on, and I work in medical imaging, so I go through CAT scans, very detailed, very difficult on the eyes. Like, I can't even work with smudgy glasses. These are fine. They were great. If you have any discomfort with wearing contacts, these are the way to go. Awesome sauce. I love it. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. Happy whatever day you celebrate. Maybe it's a Monday. Celebrate that. Wherever you are, I hope you're having the best day that you possibly can. Be kind to the people around you. And thanks for hanging out.